So I open Microsoft Word in my Windows computer and I change the font size also here. So for getting a good start, I change the size to 72 here after choosing this font. Okay, the now next step is I am going to change the color also here from automatic to I am going to choose the red color. So Excel, I click this red, and after that I'm going to type here 2605. So I type like this 2605. Now in my keyboard there, this is the alt key and this is the S key. So I'm going to press these two keys. One of my finger is in this alt key and at the same time I'm going to press this S key also. If I press these two keys at the same time, the result will be a red color star. So this method we can easily create a red star of this video. See for more videos, you can subscribe. Thanks.